Hey friends, in this video we'll explore some super useful Linux commands for monitoring, that is top, htop, df, du, and free. These tools help you keep an eye on the CPU, memory, and disk usage, so you always know what's happening inside your system. So I'm inside Oracle VirtualBox, and first up is top. It shows you a live view of processes, CPU load, and memory usage. So just type top and see active processes sorted by CPU usage. If you need to kill a process, you need to type K, and to quit this, you can type Q, and it will like quit from the process. So it's like a task manager, but in your terminal. I'll clear the terminal for the next command. So the next is htop. It's friendlier, more colorful version of top. So you can type htop. So here in Oracle VirtualBox, this command doesn't really run. So basically, htop launches the interactive process viewer. It uses arrow keys to navigate easily, and you can press F9 to kill a process. Many Linux users prefer htop because it's easier to read and more interactive. Now let's check disk usage with df. So the command is df-h. It shows you the disk usage in a human readable format. Next we have df-home. This will show you the usage of the specific directory. This tells you how much space is left on one mounted file system. Next up, we have du. It stands for directory usage. It helps you to see how much space your folders and files are taking. So the command is du-h and then the file name. So when I hit enter, it shows the size of one file. The next command is du-sh /var/log. So this command shows you the total size of the directory. So when I hit enter, so this is actually a wrong command. So if we actually type the directory name here, you can see the total size of the directory. Then we have du -h -max hyphen depth equals to 1. So this is used to see folder sizes at one level. It's perfect for finding which folders are eating up the disk space. This is how the output looks for this command. I'll clear the terminal. So finally we have free. Free shows you how much RAM and swap memory is in use. So I'll type the command free hyphen h. This gives you human readable memory usage. Next we have watch free hyphen h. This updates every 2 seconds. So this helps you know if your system is running out of memory. So to sum it up, top shows you live processes, htop is a better version of top, df shows you disk usage by the file system, du shows you disk usage by files and folders, and free is used to see memory stats. These are must-know commands for monitoring your Linux system health. If you found this video helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.